I'm reviewing the Duck branded toothbrush shaving kit. This is a product that can be found if you look really hard on the internet. I searched for Duck toothbrush shaving kit on Google and I found one image of one that was for sale on Etsy, and I guess someone must have bought it. But anyways, I found this one at a local thrift store for $2, and let's check out what it has to offer. So it's made with nice cherry wood. It's got a mirror inside so you can watch while you shave. It's got a toothbrush and a razor, and both the toothbrush and the razor attached to a nice golden handle. So you get to assemble your razor or your toothbrush kind of like you're James Bond putting together one of his gadgets before a mission. One thing I don't really like about it is the felt padded insert where all the pieces go into. It seems to me that when I brush my teeth, I usually have a wet toothbrush after, and I think if I was putting a wet toothbrush back into this, the kit would get pretty gross over time. But maybe there's a workaround for this. Maybe you hair dry your toothbrush after you use it, I'm not sure. It also has a really nice latch that closes securely. It's got a nice place where your thumb can pop open the lid, and the opening and closing is just overall pretty smooth. I really like the duck emblem on the front. That's kind of what drew me to the product, and it is a good size. It can fit handy into a back pocket. But think about the size of it more. Usually when I would travel, I would maybe just take the toothbrush in a tube that's just a little bigger than the toothbrush itself. I would take my toothpaste, of course, and a razor could just be loose in whatever carrying bag I'm taking. And so this is almost a little too much for keeping a trip compact as far as your toiletries goes. But I think more likely this is just something a person would get someone for a gift when they don't know what to get them. I don't think anyone would buy this for themselves, other than me, who bought it for himself. So I guess it would be fair for me to give this about a 4 out of 10 rating. I do like the duck emblem, and I like the cherry wood. But other than that, the kit just isn't overly functional for me. I found the razor to be a little finicky putting it together. And again, the potential for a wet toothbrush making this case disgusting over time just isn't appealing to me. So those things against the nice duck emblem bring it down to a 4 out of 10. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the review.